Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VPOR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a couple of days ago, so that's where this green line annotation is coming from. But after today's very nice price movement, there are certainly quite a few updates here that need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning here and get rid of this green. Actually, I'm not going to get rid of it. I'm just going to use it someplace else. Reason for that, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. So like I said, we'll just use this line for someplace else. The new level of support and what I would call the ideal area of support is right there at 003. And when I say ideal, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above 003, that would make the chart look very powerful. This was a previous area of resistance, and when resistances are broken, this is just a foundational rule in charting. You want to see them act as support. So it was broken right there, and then after that, you can see that on 3 separate occasions, both there, and there, the bears try to press down through it, and the bulls are doing a fantastic job of holding that as support. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but preferably speaking, yeah, if the price can stay above there, that would be best case scenario. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And the easiest way to look at that is as long as the price stays above that purple line, as time unfolds, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, if this upwards move is going to continue where some of these battlegrounds at, short-term one that seems to kind of popped up out of nowhere is right there at 0034, but throughout the course of the day, I'm sure if you're watching level 2s, you notice this, but the price just kept bumping its head on 0034, bumping its head on 0034. Final 30 minutes did actually push through it, but ultimately closed below it. So yeah, 0034 going to be that shorter term area of resistance. If the price can push through there, the next key overall battleground going to be where the party stopped up there at 0038. But taking a step back, at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on building these higher bases, which it's been doing, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. So it'll be interesting to see how this closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.